Chapter 24 of The Sound of Light by Leonard Sweet and Lisa Sampson. It's titled, God Loves to Show Up in Disguise. Do you have a friend who doesn't dig at you or wound you repeatedly but welcomes you regardless of what you bring to the friendship? If yes, you have experienced God in human disguise as a relationship. For some of us, it might be hard to imagine such a person. For others, a face comes to mind. I hope it's that way for you. Do you have a place in life that you go to physically or mentally when you need to be alone with your thoughts? Maybe a mountain hideaway, a view of an ocean, a place by a river or lake, a park bench, a path in a forest, or a field where clouds pass over? If yes, you have experienced God in disguise as a place to abide. Do you have memories of an unexpected check when the power bill came due, a gift card to throw a party for a loved one, gas money, a basket of food, a place to stay, and a garment to wear? If yes, you have experienced God in disguise as provision and providence. God meets you, me, and every single one of us in many ways, but we spend most of our lives not recognizing it. We may even fool ourselves into thinking that what we pay for deserves no gratitude. I earned it, we say. But unlike humans who skulk off after someone fails to acknowledge them repeatedly, God sticks around. God might even find you in other disguises. Do you remember someone who just came to sit with you, love you, and hear you? If yes, you have experienced God as a presence. Do you have a healthcare professional who really cares and attends to your needs, from giving you water, smiling when you're discouraged, or tending to a complicated surgical procedure? If yes, you have experienced God as a helper and a healer. God always heals. Sometimes death is the final healing act, but God always heals. In all these ways, all these people, beloved, God shows up loving you and telling you that you are known, celebrated, and loved. See God in all the lovers and helpers. Let God love you in all the ways God is doing even now. Let God love you in new ways, unforeseen and unimaginable by human minds. In all amazing and emerging ways. Beloved, beloved, beloved.